Sometimes the coverage and acoustic output needs of an application may be more than any single point-and-shoot loudspeaker can provide. So, if you're talking about multiple enclosure loudspeaker systems today, you're probably talking about line arrays. And the KLA series may very well represent a customer's first real opportunity to fully embrace line array technology. KLA features two models, the KLA-12, a 12-inch two-way line array element, and the KLA-181, an 18-inch direct radiating sub. In the past, line arrays have been expensive, complicated to deploy, and required a lot of fiddling by experienced operators before they sounded right. KLA combines line array power and sophistication with unprecedented ease of use. Being a fixed arcuate line array, there is no need for complicated calculations to figure out box-to-box display angles. And since KLA is powered, there are no amp racks to configure or signal processing to adjust.
The KLA-12 is housed in an impact-resistant ABS enclosure and can be used with or without the companion KLA-181 flyable subwoofer. To get you right out of the gate with your new system, both XLR and PowerCon jumper cables are included. And speaking of electrical power, the K-family power module is so efficient that up to 5 loudspeakers can be operated on a single 15-amp, 120-volt AC circuit. RQ stands for arcuate equalization. By simply turning the dial to select the number of boxes in your array, RQ will quickly and automatically tune and configure your system. No external processing is required. The built-in solo rigging system enables users to set up a system in a fraction of the time as comparable line array systems. In fact, a single person can assemble a KLA rig, saving both time and labour. And best of all, there are no tools required and no fiddly rigging bits to lose. Both KLA models are available in white, making them ideal for fixed installations.
Like the other members of the K family, KLA is flexible. The KLA-12 can be flown via M10 fittings or the optional array frame, or mounted on a pole or tripod. Each element features a nominal coverage angle of 90 degrees by 18 degrees. So 2 boxes equal 36 degrees of vertical coverage and 3 boxes equal 54 degrees. Up to 5 boxes may be hung in an array for 90 degrees of vertical coverage. The KLA-12's compression driver is mounted on a multiple diffraction aperture waveguide based on similar principles found in our patented Wideline series waveguides.
The KLA-181 subwoofer can be flown using either M10 eye-bolt fittings or the array frame. If you don't need to fly the sub, that is if you're just ground stacking your subs, then you can simply use the KW-181, which is similar in performance to the KLA-181, but costs around 25% less per sub, since it does not incorporate rigging hardware. To protect and keep your investment looking as good as possible, covers are available for both the KLA-12 and the KLA-181 sub.